In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page border in Google Docs. It's an easy tutorial, and I'm sure you'll find it incredibly useful for giving your documents a polished, professional look. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open the drawing tool. This is a handy feature within Google Docs that allows us to create custom shapes and graphics directly in our document. To get started, go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over Drawing and then select New. This will open up a new window where we can work on creating our border. Now that we have the drawing window open, it's time to create your border shape. Look for the shape icon in the toolbar and click on it. Once you've done that, hover over Shapes and pick the rectangle shape from the options that appear. With the shape selected, go ahead and draw your rectangle. Don't stress about getting the perfect size here. We'll refine the measurements in a bit, so just get a general feel for the proportions you want. Next, it's time to style the border and make it look exactly the way you want. First, set the fill color of the rectangle to transparent since we're only aiming for the outline to be visible. After that, choose a border color that suits your document style. For this tutorial, I'm going with a classic black, but feel free to experiment with other colors if that's what fits your theme. Once you've chosen your color, adjust the border weight to define its thickness. This is where you can express a bit of creativity. Go for whatever thickness feels right and aligns with the overall look you're aiming for. Now for the finishing touches, click on Save and Close at the upper right corner of the drawing window. This will insert the customized rectangle right into your document as an image. Once you see the border in your document, you might notice it's currently set to align with your text. Look for the options at the bottom of the image and switch it to Behind Text. This little adjustment will give you the freedom to position your border exactly where you want it, ensuring it frames the document perfectly without interfering with your text. And there you have it. You've successfully designed and inserted a page border in Google Docs, giving your document that extra touch of sophistication. Remember, playing around with different styles and colors can create a variety of looks, so feel free to adjust and experiment until you find what works best for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.